I'm the Senior Learning Technologies Advisor at East Berkshire College, and today I'd like to talk to you about an amazing web application called Socrative. Now, Socrative is a quiz and assessment tool that is really easy to set up in your classroom. Teachers can create quizzes in seconds, and students can easily join in using a device of their choice, whether their personal smartphone, laptop, iPad, or even a class computer. This works across any device, any electronic device that can access the internet. It's really cool. What's really nice about Socrative is it's really quick to set up, and it also allows teachers to collect data on quizzes and assessments too. So at the end of each session, the end of each quiz, you'll have an option to download a report of the quiz. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in and just show you how it works. So you have a teacher login and a student login. I'm just going to log in as a teacher first of all. Okay, so you'll see on the right hand side of my screen, this is how it will appear for teaching staff. You have an overview of all your quizzes, you have a virtual room number, and this is what the students join. You also have represented by the 0 here, where it tells you the amount of students that you have in the room. You have an option to launch single question activities such as multiple choice, true or false or short answer quizzes. Quickly you can create a quiz and then start testing your students. So you click on manage quizzes and we just click on create a quiz. Okay, so we give our quiz a name, so I'm going to call it the Xmas quiz, and we choose the type of answer we want. We can have a multiple choice question, so the students have to select from a series of answers. There could be more than one correct answer, or you can have a short answer where the students type a response. Now, short answers are great if you want to maybe test exam questions, timed exam questions, and you move the student on at a certain point, or they're great for language classes. You know, use your imagination. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a multiple choice question. So I'll just tap there. This is so easy to use. I'll just type in my question. Okay, so once I've typed in my answers, you just select the correct answer. And then if you're ready to add another question, just at the bottom here you click on multiple choice or short answer. So I'll add one more multiple choice question. What bird is traditionally eaten at Christmas? And I'll put chicken or turkey. So you can have as many different answers as you like. I'm just going to select the correct answer there. And then, say I've added a few more questions, I can just finish with my quiz. I'll just come down to the bottom here and I press save. And press continue. Okay, so if I go back to the main screen, maybe I've prepared that quiz at home and I'm ready to use it in the class, or I've prepared it during some free time. I'll just click on Start Quiz, and you have two options. You can choose a student-paced quiz or a teacher-paced quiz. Student-paced quiz, students move at their own pace, they choose when they go on to the next question. I find more fun the teacher-paced quiz. You move the students on when you're ready. And the cool thing about the teacher-paced quiz is you can see the results coming back live on your screen. So let's do teacher-paced quiz. Okay, now at this point what your students do is they use your virtual room number to log in. So whatever device they're using, whether they're using their phone, laptop, iPad, whatever, you have a virtual room number just in the top right hand corner of your screen, and the students just type that in. So 319679 and tap join room. So there's no sign up for the students, anything like that. It's really simple. I'm just going to show you how it works on a mobile phone. And there we go. So the first question is always, what is your last name? first name. Basically this is for the end of the quiz. When you get that report, you can see which students have answered which questions correctly or incorrectly. So I'm just going to put in here Bob and just press submit. I'll come back to my other student over here on the left and I'll put in Gary, and you'll see on the teacher's screen that as the students sign up, you can see their names just appearing here. So when you're ready to move on, you just tap send next question to students, and the students can answer the question. So if they're on an internet browser, they just click on the correct, or what they think is the correct question. So I'm just going to get this one wrong. It informs them that they have the wrong answer. And on the teacher's screen, you see the results coming back. So you see a little poll chart of the results. So what's cool is you could have this up on the smartboard at the front of the class, or you can tap on hide live results if you don't want the students to see each other's answers. That just hides those results away. I'm going to go over to the student on the mobile phone. Just get the answer correct. Great. Just tap done, and then it says waiting for teacher to send next question. So you get the idea. This is really simple to use. Just do send next question to students. I want to see the live results for this one, so I tap on live results. What bird is traditionally eaten at Christmas? I tap on chicken. It's the wrong answer. And you'll see the result on the teacher's screen here on the right. I'll come over to the mobile phone. Turkey. Good job, you got the right answer. Okay, so that's the activity completed. It was a very short quiz, just 2 questions. I'll just tap on end activity, and I have the option to email the report, download the report, or have no report at all. There's lots of other cool things you can do with Socrative. There's a feature called Space Race, where you can put the students in teams. Every time they get a question right, they have a little rocket ship on the teacher's iPad or computer, and that goes further and further up the screen. So students are literally racing against each other in teams to get all the questions right. If they get a question wrong, obviously the rocket doesn't move anywhere. So that's really fun. If you'd like to find out more about Socrative or any of the other learning technologies that we use in the Learning Centre, just drop us an email or pop into the Learning Centre and see one of us, and we can arrange some training. Thanks for listening.